Tour to our garden, guys. Today is April 8th. Look at this is flower, guys. This one also flower. That is garlic. Tomato. Spring onion. This is the pepper, guys. And this one, guys, that is the beautiful flower. What is called the Chinese? And this one, the holy ha, guys, look. And that one, grabe. Curioso. And look, guys. Some of the sweet potato is come back, oh. One. Sweet potato, this area, eh. And look. Di come back to. Ano ito? Oh, this one we plant to these peanuts to guys. Pullets, bro. And over here, the taro. The taro will come back. Look, taro. This side is sunflower. Look, sunflower is not good. Over there we planted sunflower. Flower also. This one become back. Over there the marigold. This side nothing because we waiting to our air garden. Sinya. We plant over here. And also this one marigold. Over here so far nothing. This is the inside, guys. The kamba. This one marigold. This one marigold also. Look at this over here. This is first time planting this year, guys. Sinya. And look, it's flowering na, guys. Community yard sale, guys. Friday and Saturday 8 AM to 2 PM only. Yard sale, guys. For sale. And the next is for sale also. Right? And the next right there for sale. And over here for sale. Lot of for sale house here, guys. People moving the other state because the rental of the land is go up. This house for sale. Ooh, beautiful. Oh, this one. Ah, up there. Yeah. This kind of flower is up there flowering. They grow the branches. No? Huh? Yeah. Community yard sale. That house for sale. Hi guys, unboxing. What is this? Let's see guys, what is this? Unboxing guys, unboxing. Oh wow. Imagine mo the box is very big. The bag is very big, guys. Huh? Look at that. And then inside is only like this. Ah, we put this in the garden. This is ano, guys? Garden plug. Okay. Garden plug lang to, guys. I don't know why they put very big. This one, guys. Yeah. Ayuds pala, oh. Ah, okay. What is that? Welcome. Look at that. Nice. Okay. Very nice. Okay. This is 1 cent, right? How much this?
I forget that.
More than $1, I think.
No, it's what's that now?
Less than dollar. Oh, less than dollar, guy. Because if you buy something in Amazon, guy, you get a very low price, 2 pieces. And the other one, I think this is my order about my fashion jewelry stuff. Yeah. Ah, another. I think this is the one. Yeah. I don't know what this is. Eyelashes. Eyelashes. Oh, you get eyelashes? Ay, yan. That's a lot of eyelashes, guy. 3.
They were 51 cents.
The 3 of them.
Three pairs for 51 cents.
Ah, yes. This one, guy. 3 pair of, ano, guy? 3 pair of, this one, guy. 3 eyelashes. 51 cents. Like that. Because we spend like $30, guys, for my beads. So you can get this for 51 cents. 3 pieces na siya, guys. That's fine. Very nice, oh. Look at that. Let's see the other color, guys. Why? Lot of color, eh. Imagine mo, guys. This is black. Nice. The other one. So that's why I love shopping to Amazon, guys. Because if you spend like $25, something like that, you get a free shipping, plus you get the 2 item like less than $1. It's in blue. Nice, guys. And the other one, what is this? I think this is the promo, no? This is the promo, guys. But they arrive, ano, guys, like 2 weeks. The promo is arrived like 2 weeks, but the regular order is arrived only like 3 days. Ah, this is the wallet we get also. This is
51 cents.
51 cents also, guys. Huh? Wallet. Ah, nice. Oh, like that, guys. Like that. You can put something over here. Your card. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you put a small something over here. Oh, very nice. So beautiful, guy. It's 51 cents. You put the coins right here. Like that. Look at that. It's nice. And that's it, guys. Lot of people, guys, roaming around because of garage sale, eh. Ito. Community garage sale today. Today is Friday and Saturday have garage sale. Going to our favorite store, Salvation Army. I'm wearing one of our jewelry set, guys, oh. Fashion jewelry set. Necklace, earrings, and my bracelet. Look at my bracelet. And the ring. And the Philippine jacket. There. is the electricity guy. Look at over here. You cannot see the, what is called that, the wire of the electricity. No more wire because they bury the wire.
Maybe there's somebody else.
Yeah. Oh, I see what you're saying. Well, don't they cut the bridge?
Waiting to open here the Salvation Army guy. Into the mailbox guy. 1:47 na, so 2 PM guy. Garage sale is done. Beautiful flower. Tomorrow again. Weed siya guy, but look, very nice. Try to plant this day. Spinach. This 45 days harvest na daw. This one 55 days harvest. I'm trying to plant asparagus guy, but this is 729 days before harvest. Almost 2 years. I'm not buying that. Take too much room. Need to remove na guy. Need to plant this outside. This is 15 days na guy. So, it's time na to plant outside. Kasi big naman siya. Bigger na siya guy. It's big enough, so it's time to plant. And the other also over here guy, because this is big now. It's big. It's time na to planting outside. It's big enough. Yun nga guys, i-plant ko ang sinya. That marigold. Maybe for marigold din. Yeah guys, it's done planting the 15 days yan guys from Air Garden Sinya. We cut over here guys because lot of poison ivy over here like that oh. Nakto guys, last time nadali ako niyan guys, 1 buwan bago gumaling. Ito, sobrang kati.